with the ACLU of Pennsylvania here in Philadelphia. So I'm pretty much the legal arm of the ACLU here in Philadelphia. Been very, very active in working on police accountability issues, and particularly working with Carrie Żydowski, Messing, and Feinberg on our lawsuit against the city about the police department's stop and frisk policies, which I'll talk just a little bit more about in a couple minutes.
I'm Paul Hetznecker, and I'm honored to be here this morning. I'll give you a little bit of my personal history and political history. I am a 25-year veteran of the Philadelphia courts. I am a criminal defense attorney and a civil rights attorney. I started at the Public Defender's Office in 1987. I was there for almost 6 years. I spent almost 2 years of that 6 years in the Special Defense Unit, which is their elite trial unit. I had the good fortune of trying a lot of cases and having great success at the Public Defender's Office. I am now on the board of the Public Defender's Office, so I'm honored to serve as a board member for the organization that started my process as an attorney. I began as an intern and went all the way through the system. So I tried thousands of cases, including saving the life of an alleged cop killer in 1995. I've represented the MOVE organization for 12 years in their post-conviction appellate process, represented all 9 defendants that were convicted of murdering a police officer in 1978, which is kind of interesting because it parallels my own political history. I was out there as an 18-year-old protesting against police abuse in the late 70s here in Philadelphia. There's a long, storied history of police abuse in this city. So my history goes way back as an activist, but also now as a lawyer for 25 years. I have tried thousands of cases, as I said, death penalty cases, countless police abuse cases. I also have sued the city since 1993, since I left the defenders, and I've sued them for wrongful death. I've sued them for breaking into their own houses, for beating people up, you name it. I've been suing them, again, since 1993, 19 years. I tried cases both in federal court, I'm on trial now in federal court, but in a drug conspiracy case, I've tried cases in state court. I do both appellate and as well as trial. So I'm here to give you an overview, not just of the system in Philadelphia, the police system in Philadelphia, but also the context in which activists should be viewing this process that goes on. There are two battlegrounds. There's a battleground on the street, and there's a battleground over the Fourth Amendment in the court, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. And I'll turn it over to Mary Catherine, and she can begin